Hi everyone. How to check Windows 11 edition by the About Windows dialog? The About Windows dialog displays various information about your Windows 11 installation, including the edition and build number. To view the Windows 11 edition, use the following steps. Firstly, click Windows plus R keys on the keyboard to invoke the Run dialog box. Now, type the winver and press Enter from the keyboard to see the Windows edition. You will see Windows 11 version, edition, and expiration date and time after completing the above step. Windows 11 brought a new user interface, new features, and a lot of changes. Microsoft said that Windows 10 was the last version of Windows the company would ever make. But then Windows 11 came. How to find Windows 11 edition via System Information. You can also find Windows 11 edition via System Information. Use the following steps. Click Windows plus R keys on the keyboard to open the Run dialog box. Now, type Info32 in the Run box and then press Enter from the keyboard to open the System Information window. After that, select System Summary on the left side when the System Information window opens. After that, besides the OS name item, you can view Windows 11 edition on the right side. And they are leaving out the mismatch between what's been said and what's been done. How to know Windows 11 edition through Command Prompt. If you want to know the Windows 11 edition through Command Prompt, use these steps. Firstly, launch the Command Prompt. Now, type the following and hit the Enter key to generate a full report about hardware and software. System Info. Besides the OS name field, you can find the Windows 11 edition. Furthermore, Windows 11 is constantly updated and improved. It is just like Windows 10, and the new things will update with time. How to find out about Windows 11 edition from the Settings app. Follow the below described steps to uncover Windows 11 edition from the Settings app. Open the Settings app by hitting Windows plus I keys on the keyboard. Now, select System on the left side of the Settings window. After that, scroll down the page on the right side to see the About tile. Then, click on the About tile to open the About Settings page. At last, scroll down to the Windows Specifications section. Besides the Edition field, you can find Windows 11 edition. Windows 11 is available in multiple editions. Home, Pro, Education, Enterprise, and SE are the popular educations. How to see Windows 11 edition via Windows PowerShell. You can also view the Windows 11 edition with the help of Windows PowerShell. Moreover, similar command words which you have earlier used in Command Prompt. To find out Windows 11 edition using PowerShell, use the following steps. Open Windows PowerShell. Now, type the following and then hit the Enter key to generate the report. System Info. After you execute all the commands, besides the OS name field, you can view the Windows 11 edition details. Suppose you believe that a feature is missing from your Windows 11 installation. How to check Windows 11 edition via Activation Settings. As usual, open the Windows Settings. Select the System category on the left sidebar when the Windows Settings opens. Scroll down on the right side pane and click the Activation header. Then, you can find the Windows 11 edition beside the Windows logo. Hopefully, this article helped you find the build and version of your Windows 11 computer. That's it for this video. If you are new to this channel, like, share, and subscribe. Press the bell icon to get the latest videos. Comment below if you want to add some more value to this video. Keep watching, learning, and growing. See you in the next video.